I'm Kathy from the Delafield Quilt Company, and today's tutorial is on cutting strips on the bias. I hope that you enjoy the tutorial. So typically on a piece of fabric, the bias is usually a 45-degree angle from the finished edge of the fabric. So if you pull from the finished edge, you don't get much give. But if you pull diagonally, you get a lot more give. So that's what we want to cut, is to capture that give when we cut strips. It's great to have this extra give when you have projects that you want to put binding or bias tape on that have a bit of a curve to it. So to cut the strips, we're going to first try to maximize our length here by folding this over at a 45-degree angle. I'm just going to give it a turn here. And I want to cut as long as I can on the small fat quarter piece of fabric. And then I'm going to fold it again, keeping that folded edge to the original fold that I made. And then I'm just going to fold this back over on top here. That's going to help me just so I can make some cuts and then get as much length as I can on that. So the first thing I'm going to do is just cut off this folded edge. And then I'm going to use my ruler to measure 2 inches. I want 2 inches for my strips that I'm going to use for a binding on a bag, but you can make this whatever you need for your project. I don't need too many more, but I'm going to just show you how quickly that gets. And I have already 2 strips of binding. And you can see there's a lot of give to these. I'm going to continue cutting some more. And I'm just going to keep cutting as much fabric that I have. And there you have it. That's how you cut on the bias. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and visit us at delafieldquiltco.com. Thank you.